What's up, Sunny Fit fam? Coach James here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top tips for dealing with knee pain. Right? So my top tip for alleviating knee pain is foam rolling. Okay, it's the thing that everyone I tried with, they hate it, right? Because it hurts, right? But using a foam roller or a massage ball or cross ball to massage out your thigh muscles and your lower leg muscles, so your calves and your quads, to help relieve tension there. Sometimes if those muscles tight, they may cause you to move improperly and cause that irritating pain. So step one, foam roll those muscles. Step two, then stretch those muscles. Going with a dynamic stretch at the beginning of the workout, and then making sure you follow it up with static stretches at the end. So foam rolling, stretching, two important things for dealing with knee pain. And now, let's say you foam roll, you stretch, and you've dealt with chronic knee pain for a while. Just one session of it won't clear it up for you, most likely. It's going to be something you have to continuously do. So how do you work around knee pain in the meantime? There are many different exercises you can do to, one, activate the muscles that we should be working, right? Sometimes if the glutes, if the butt isn't working properly, that may cause our lower back or our knees to do more work than we need, right? So doing things like glute bridges or band resisted exercises like band resisted Romanian deadlifts are great glute activation moves. And then you can also play around with your form to work in a pain-free environment. So doing things like box squats at different levels. So maybe it may just be once you get to the complete bottom position of your squat, that's where you experience the pain. Maybe having a higher box will help alleviate it. Or just sitting down in that box, temporarily taking stress off of the knee may also help. Doing different alternative moves like reverse lunges will be a great option as well, where we're still working the thighs, still working the glutes, but they typically are more knee friendly. So to recap, goal one is to alleviate knee pain. You want to get nice and comfortable with your foam roller. So if you have one at home, take it out of the closet. Hopefully it's already out of the wrapper, and place it somewhere you see it every day, and spend some time foam rolling and chilling. Then following up with some stretching. That's to help alleviate the pain, and over time, hopefully you move with better quality. Step two, to work around it so you can still work your legs in a safe environment. Try alternative moves like box squats, reverse lunges, and make sure you also activate the glutes with your glute bridges, band resisted deadlifts, and various other exercises. So, Sunny fam, I hope you found this video valuable. And if you did, please implement these tips immediately, and I'm sure you'll be pain-free very soon. Once again, my name is Coach James. Hopefully we get to work out sometime soon. Do some lower body. All right, virtual fist bump.